Do you want to know how you can log into L&T Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your L&T Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for L&T Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of L&T Finance. Go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right hand side. It will take you to the official login portal of L&T Mutual Fund. You can log into your account using your phone number. Go ahead and write down your phone number here, click login, and if you have the phone number and it is correct, a one-time password will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and watch your phone. An OTP password will come. Go ahead and write down the password or OTP pin here, click continue, and then you can see that you will be logged into your L&T Finance Mutual Fund account. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can log into your L&T Mutual account. Go ahead and search for L&T Mutual Fund. Go ahead and click on the first link and then click on login, which you can see on the top right hand side. What you need to do is write down your phone number, click continue. An OTP code will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and write down the code in the screen and then you can log into your L&T Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.